Today I'll walk you through how to link your desktop device to Telegram step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your computer with all your existing chats and contacts from your mobile Telegram account. This makes messaging, sharing files, and managing conversations on a bigger screen so much easier and more productive. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll need the official Telegram desktop application. This isn't the same as the web version. It's a dedicated app designed to give you all the features and reliability you're used to on your phone. To get started, open up your browser and head over to the official Telegram desktop website. You'll notice there are versions for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so just pick the one that matches your operating system. Downloading from the official site ensures you're getting a safe, up-to-date client. Avoid third-party sources, just like you would with any other important software, to keep your information secure. Once the download is finished, go ahead and install the app. When you first open Telegram Desktop, you'll be greeted with a clean, simple interface. There should be a prompt like Start Messaging or something similar. Click on it, and you're ready to log in. Now, Telegram gives you two options to link your desktop, either by scanning a QR code or by entering your phone number. The QR code method is usually much faster, so let's walk through that one first. On your computer screen, look for the option to log in by QR code. Sometimes it appears right away, but if not, there should be a small link or button you can click to bring it up. When you select it, a unique QR code appears. Think of this like a quick handshake between your desktop and mobile device. Grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Then head into Settings and tap on Devices. If you don't see it right away, it might be under Privacy and Security, and then Devices. The exact path can vary a bit depending on whether you're on Android or iOS. Here you'll see an option to link desktop device. When you tap that, your phone's camera will activate, and you can point it at the QR code on your computer screen. Within a few seconds, you'll notice your desktop app logging in automatically. It's that fast. This method is not only quick, but also secure because the QR code expires after a short time. But what if you can't use your camera or you just prefer typing things in? In that case, choose the Login by Phone Number option on your computer. You'll be asked to enter the country code and phone number you use with Telegram. After that, Telegram will instantly send a confirmation code, not through SMS, but right inside the Telegram app on your phone or to any other device you've previously linked. Keep an eye out for this message and simply enter the code into the desktop app. Don't worry if it takes a second for the message to come through. Sometimes it can be delayed by a moment or two. Once you've entered the code correctly, your desktop device will link to your Telegram account. All your conversations and contacts will sync up automatically, and you'll be able to pick up every chat right where you left off on mobile. And that's it, you're all set. Linking your desktop device is a simple way to make messaging more flexible and convenient, whether you're working, studying, or just want a bigger screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I'd love to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Telegram setup.